Hello Standard 10. You are Arun sir and going to teach biology. Not theory part, biology practical. And our topic is observation of permanent slides of various stages of mitosis. Observation of permanent slides of various stages of mitosis. And it is experiment number 1. And experiment number 1, you are knowing it is virtual, not the real. There is difference between virtual and real. You all are very good in physics. And virtual means imaginary. Nowadays the leaders are organizing virtual rally. So our practical is virtual, not the real. I will show you. And our aim is to observe permanent slides of different stages of mitosis. As we write in the practical copy, requirement, what materials are required? Here two materials, only two things are required. One is the compound microscope and other is the permanent slide. Now here a question arises. In 9th, I have discussed about the temporary slide. Temporary slide means the slide which we prepare and observe, that is called temporary slide. But permanent already made and kept, whenever we require we observe under compound microscope. And when we will go in higher classes, if you will opt biology in UG undergraduate classes, especially BSc honors or MSc, PG and UG classes, there you will be taught how to make permanent slides. So that part is clear. We have got permanent slides of the stages of mitosis. Now procedure, as I have told you, that procedure must be written in past tense passive voice. Don't and point wise taken a compound microscope. Permanent slides of mitosis, which stage? Say prophase, observed this way. Observation, what you saw there, that you have to write. Precautions, precaution only procedure you have to write in past tense passive voice, otherwise other in the simple language. And left side of the practical copy, white page, you have to draw the diagram. And dear children, 13 practical we have to do. You have to write in your copy one sample, I will say, and just change the language, because if each and every student will copy it, write the same language, there may be a question that how they are writing the same language. So little bit change the language. And then now listen, permanent slide. You see, we have got a box containing permanent slide. Different permanent slides are there. One or two I will show you. Here see, mitosis anaphase stage. You can see here, mitosis anaphase stage, mitosis metaphase stage. Means the slide is made and one sticker is there which indicates that what does it shows. And we will put under compound microscope and we will observe. Okay, so that part is clear. Now let me observe one. Now listen, I have taken prophase, see mitosis prophase stage, metaphase, you can see, zoom and you can see prophase, metaphase, this is mitosis anaphase, and this is telophase. And now a question arises, whether it is a plant cell or animal cell, it is also mentioned here. So let me see first prophase stage. You can see prophase stage I have taken. We will fix here under, okay, high magnification, let us see, and I will fix it. Spectacle not required. And we will observe it. Yes, But if he will ask me that as in the book, that much clear picture, dear children, by the simple microscope, or means compound microscope, that much clear picture is not possible. So, when he will come to school, I will try to show, but that much clear we can't see. So now it is correct, and let me discuss in theory and in practical. Both this topic is very important. So first, identification whether it is a plant cell or an animal cell. That part is clear. Listen, if the cell is rectangular in shape and has got two outer covering, rectangular in shape and two outer covering like this, and if I will ask you, this is A and this is B, which one is plant cell and which one is animal cell, and give reason to support your answer. This is what? Plant cell, and this is what? Animal cell. Now, why? First, very important thing, that it has got two outer covering, the cell wall and cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell wall and plasma membrane. Okay. So, and it is a plant cell and this is animal cell. And stages we have discussed. Interphase is the maturing stage where the cell prepares itself for the next division, and first stage is the prophase. What happens in prophase? Is this prophase stage? No, this one is the interphase stage. Which stage? Interphase. And what happens in prophase? In prophase we have discussed, this chromatin fiber becomes shorter and thicker. And when it becomes shorter and thicker, it becomes chromosome. It is visible as chromosome. Nucleolus disappear. Nuclear membrane disappear. In animal cell, centrioles divides into two and moves to the opposite pole. That diagram you can say, that shows that it is prophase. Metaphase. In metaphase, whether plant cell or animal cell, all the chromosomes will be arranged on the equator. Asters are seen only in the animal cell, but spindle fibers are seen in both. And due to shortening of spindle fibers, chromosomes divide into two chromatids and move towards the opposite pole. Remembering or not? This way, one will be attached by this spindle fiber, other by this, and due to shortening, pulling of the spindle fiber, this will move to the opposite pole. Okay, and that stage is the anaphase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and in telophase, in plant cell plate will be formed. Since the nucleus divides into two nuclei, nuclear membrane reappears, nucleolus appear, and two nucleus are formed. Change in nucleus is called as karyokinesis, and karyokinesis will be followed by cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, there will be division of the cytoplasm, and in plant cell plates will be formed. And cell plates will be formed almost in the middle. Two nucleus is there. Okay. You can see nuclear membrane reappears, nucleolus reappear, and cell plate is formed. In the case of animal cell, furrow is formed, and furrow is formed like this. Okay, furrow is formed. Two nucleus are here. You can see. And after that there will be division of cytoplasm and two daughter nuclei, two daughter cell will be formed. That is the last stage. Okay. And in mitosis, the number of chromosomes remains same in the daughter cell. One cell divides to form two cells. Number of chromosomes are same. So it is also called as equational division. Except in the reproductive cells, throughout the body where growth and development takes place, mitosis cell division occurs. So dear children, I will send you one sample. You will see it, how to write, you will draw the diagram, because copy part, this notebook part is very important. On this basis only in board examination you will get 20 marks. So today up to this much. Thank you very much.